If you're recommending products on your site, those recommendations should feel like a part of your site, not like something you pasted in. That's why we built affiliate finds for Website Builder. I'm Vilus, and since I helped build this feature, I want to show you just how easy it is to use. With affiliate finds, you can link to any affiliate program out there, such as Amazon, Temu, or niche marketplaces, or simply drop in individual product links. And here's the best part. Unlike those clunky widgets, affiliate finds automatically matches your branding, so everything looks cohesive without any extra work. We were inspired to build this because we noticed something interesting coming from our users in Brazil.
Hey everyone, sorry to interrupt, I'm Rodrigo, the host of our Brazilian YouTube channel, and you might be wondering why I'm showing up here. I just wanted to quickly share where this idea for this new website builder feature came from. In Brazil, there's this super popular trend on TikTok and Instagram. People make videos showing simple everyday items they find on marketplaces like Shopee. Things that are really useful, but you probably wouldn't even know they existed if you hadn't seen them in the video. Then, usually those creators add affiliate links in the video's description or in their bio, so viewers can buy the products and the creators earn a small percentage from each sale. That's basically the idea behind this new website builder feature. It makes adding affiliate links to products way easier. That's it, back to the video.
Thanks, Rodrigo. That's exactly it. With affiliate finds, your visitors can browse your recommendations all in one place. No awkward third-party widgets, just clean, branded product cards that blend right in. The trend showed us how much people love discovering affordable, useful products through our trusted creators, and we wanted to create an easy way to bring those little finds for all our Hostinger users. With affiliate finds, your visitors can shop your recommended products all in one place on your very own domain. Alright, let me walk you through exactly how you can set it up. There are two ways to add affiliate finds depending on where you are in your website setup. If you're getting your link in bio setup for the very first time, you'll now see an easy setup flow. After selecting your template, the first thing you want to do is add all of your social media links. Once that's done, the next step is adding all of your affiliate links. You can add as many as you want, whether it's individual products or links to your affiliate storefront. The nice thing about it is that any affiliate links you add during the setup will automatically match the branding and design in the template you selected, with no extra editing needed. The setup is even easier if you already have a website builder site created. Open the Builder sidebar, locate affiliate finds in the Elements menu, and drag it wherever you want in your page. From here, you can customize each card, change the colors, adjust the layout, or edit the call to action button. Play around with it until it feels like a natural part of your page. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or you just want to get paid while sharing any cool product you'd want to promote, Affiliate Finds makes it super simple to monetize your recommendations while keeping everything on brand. If you want to try it out yourself, grab the discount code below for 10% off Builder Plan. Make sure you're subscribed to Hostinger Academy to stay updated on new features like this. And if you're looking for an in-depth guide for setting up your linking bio from scratch, check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.